Hello! Welcome back to another video. Kinsey just posted a slime video. So I decided to do a slime video too. I'm going to be doing fluffy slime. What you're going to be needing is a bowl, a spoon, or a fork, whatever you want to mix it with, glue, any color, shaving cream or shaving foam, and your activator. If you want to use borax, do that. Or if you need contact solution, use baking soda and baking soda and contact solution. So let's get started. First, I'm going to be pouring the amount of glue that I want into my bowl. I really should have opened this before I started the YouTube video because half of the time the glue dries around it and it's so annoying to open. Just pour the amount of glue. This slime will be ginormous. But before you add your activator, you're going to add a color. But I don't have color right now. Now I'm going to add in my shaving foam. Doesn't matter what brand you do or where you get it, because all good. Pop the lid up. Oh, forgot to shake. Always shake. Ooh, oh my god. Shaving cream feels so cool, by the way. It's probably one of I love fluffy slime. So, I'm just adding a bit at a time because I feel like it. So, if you add too much shaving cream, it could end up getting hard. And I feel like this is the perfect amount because it does not feel like glue. It feels like glue and shaving cream together. So. That means I'm just going to add a tiny bit more. So, glue and shaving cream do not make it activate. Your activator does. Because what yours should look like is a nice fluffy glue type. And kind of like, when you poke it up, it just drips off kind of. Hard to describe, but you'll know, like a fluffy glue. I've been making fluffy slime. That's your getting your activator, and when you touch it, it feels not like glue at all. So, time to get your activator. Mine is Stay Flow. Pouring some right now. Just wiping my hands on the grass because I'm sitting on grass. Oh no, I am spilling. What a bummer. So, you should be mixing, and when you start mixing, you notice that kind of looks like brains. And what I mean by brains is like it kind of gets stringy. Yeah. If you ever made slime before with, oh no, I got dirt in it. I'm such a loser. Oh my god. So, I haven't fully stirred it yet, so when you touch it and it's not fully stirred, be warned. Just time to stir it. Fluffy slime feels so cool when kneading, and if you're using Stay Flow, knead your fluffy slime for a while. Because it needs it. I didn't need mine for a while because I had to go get dinner because of takeout day. So just keep mixing until you feel like your consistency is a really good type of slime and that won't get sticky. The one I have right now, I can touch and it will just get off me, but not like the slime where, so I don't really know. It's probably this one time I added a lot of it, so I'm just going to keep mixing because time to knead it. But yeah. Kneading slime feels so awesome. You never kneaded slime before. You should, if your parent lets you, or like whoever's watching you lets you. Like my mom let me because I'm not always allowed to make it because my mom kind of hates slime. But it's so awesome, so I wish you could hear it, but you can't, which is a bummer because slime is the best. And if you forgot to add color and you want to, you could always add it after you're done mixing, because when you're done mixing, you just lay it down on the table, put it drop in, and just keep folding it over, kinda. And yeah. What other slime tutorial should we have? Like, should we have cream cheese? And like Kinsey just has her eyeshadow one, which we were talking about. And we already did a haul. And slime is the best. I'm probably going to end up making a rainbow collection. I'm just going to keep making collections of my slime. Now I'm mixing it, like, because it's so fluffy. Normal slime is just this. A lot of people add, like, and it's, my hands are so dirty, but right now I'm just going to add a bit more liquid. Starch. Not a lot. No, I added too much, so I'm just going to pour it back into the bowl. Container. I don't need a lot more. This probably will end up getting pretty sticky. Oh my god, I love fluffy slime so much. And I bought shaving cream, and I still have a lot left. Some people I really kind of want to do the $500 slime challenge, but fun fact, my mom probably would not let me because I'm still under control of my mom. But if I was like big billionaire or a millionaire, I'll still do it, but I'm not, so. Fluffy slime feels super cool. And if you ever want to make a bubble slime, bubble slime is also, here's a tip. You just leave your fluffy slime out overnight and with the lid off, or like 2 nights, and then it'll just like get bubbles on the top, and it feels really cool. My sister did that to her, and she gave it to me because like I'm a slime addict. The next video I'm gonna do is a DIY stress ball, and yeah. So once you're done eating, like I am, you just play with it. So that's it for the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you make it. If you do, please give it a thumbs up. If you don't, please still give it a thumbs up. And comment down below what slime things we should make. And whichever one I will do, I will heart. And yeah. Oh my god, it's just so satisfying. You should still make it. If you already have, you probably already have because I'm a bit late to this whole thing, but slime is so awesome. Please follow me on my slime Instagram, Warner Slime, Warner and Kinsey Slime, Warner and Kinsey Slime, and thank you for watching. Bye. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, but here's just some